We have seen the power of DreamTimetables app in enabling us to easily create a school, enter its contact details, enter its default settings, select the country school structure and specify school levels, specify the student classes, specify the teachers, specify the subjects, specify school times like school breaks, non-teaching or blocked periods for the whole school, unavailability periods for teachers, unavailability periods for student classes, and finally define lessons for teachers, student classes, subjects, and subgroups. While DreamTimetables app makes carrying out these tasks a breeze, the number of schools that an app user can potentially create can easily run into hundreds and thousands. Now, after capturing data for all these schools, what if you lost your mobile phone? What if your mobile phone crashed and had to be reset to factory settings? What if you bought a new phone? What if your mobile phone was hit by a virus? What if you accidentally deleted schools? You would lose all that data which you captured for all the hundreds of schools. To anticipate and prevent data loss due to any of the above incidents, DreamTimetables app enables you to back up the data for each school in a backup file. To back up the data for our sample school, tap this share icon. DreamTimetables app will create a backup file that contains all the data for the school and save it to a folder of your choice in your mobile phone. By default, DreamTimetables app saves backup files in the Downloads folder if you are using an Android phone, and in Documents directory if you are using an iOS phone. The name of the backup file starts with a timestamp in the form of the year, the month, the day, the hours, the minutes, and seconds, followed by an underscore character, and ends with the name of the school. DreamTimetables app also enables you to rename the backup file as you wish. If you decide not to proceed with creating the backup, you can simply tap the back button. Once you have selected the backup folder and confirmed the backup file name, tap the Save button. You should then go to the folder where you saved the backup file and copy it to a storage outside your mobile phone so that it can be available if any data loss incident happens to your mobile device. You can even email it to yourself or to your friends. To restore your school data from a backup file to a new mobile phone, you would first reinstall the DreamTimetables app as shown in a previous video, send or copy the backup file to your mobile phone, and then tap on this upload icon. You would then be able to access your backup file from the folder where you copied it to, and tap on the file name to restore the school. Once the school is restored from the backup file, you will notice that the school name has a unique number appended to it. The purpose of this number is to avoid duplicate school names in the app. If this is the only school in your DreamTimetables app with this name, you can edit the name and delete the appended number. When we tap into the school, we will realize that every piece of the school data has been restored to what it was before, namely the school contact details, the school default settings, the school levels, the student classes, the teachers, the subjects, the subgroups, the break times, and other non-teaching periods, as well as all the lessons that were defined for the school. The only item that would have to be selected again is the school logo. For security reasons, the user contact details as well as user banking details are not saved to the backup file, hence they would have to be manually captured again. As this is done only once, it can be easily accomplished. This brings us to the end of the series of video tutorials for DreamTimetables app. Thanks for staying the course. At this stage, you have adequately capacitated yourself to be able to effectively leverage the full power of DreamTimetables app and contribute to the success of your school's current and future generations.